Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Give me here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Silk Boss. Rare Silk Boss gone. No, Rare Silk gone. So, if people ask him questions, so where you there, BG? We can't hear from you. Where you there? Where you gone? So, this is a music video. So, we're going to jump straight to the one here with the GSS. So, let's get it.
That's dope. Oh, Dynasty Records.
Dynasty Records, big up.
So I spin your call, Silicon. We're Silicon. We're Silicon. Yo, my Silicon.
Real Silicon.
That's the name. Them man skin beer Silicon. Them can't hear from him. It's like somebody like him waiting at the cabin.
Just as I thought. But say, why would people be asking that though? Maybe it's because you're not putting out enough work as people think that you should be putting out, or is it a case where people just think, say, yo, like people expect too much from you? What is it? I don't know.
We're still gone, them can't hear from him. It's like somebody like him waiting at the cabin. Feel one coming short with V8 and them a banging. Me and the baddest lyricist in the planet. Ice them a drip off and me chain up on me gadget. Me take a gal and fuck it and a joke me and me.
But I say, I'm the baddest lyricist on the planet. Him take a girl and fuck it and a joke him, man. Aight?
Ice them a drip off and me chain up on me gadget. Me take a girl and fuck it and a joke me and me. Talk about your bad but you not ready for the badness. SK in me and fill if a hole in your damn head, don't know.
Talk about your bad but you not ready for the badness. SK in my hand fill if a hole in your damn head. Lyrics.
Your bad but you not ready for the badness. SK in me and fill if a hole in your damn head, don't know. Yeah. Me full of style and full of flow. And the boy with this the team, him have to go home. Yeah.
Yeah, no, we're full of style, we're full of flow. I'ma tell you confidently. He's telling you that confidently. We're full of style and we're full of flow. And the boy with this team, I have to go home, man. Yeah?
I don't know. Yeah. Me full of style and full of flow.
Yeah.
And the boy with this the team, him have to go home. Yeah. Got the chipping and the Glock and never chipping at the phone. Bad bitch a spit me cock tiffin and she throat.
The chipping and the Glock and the same as with the as the chip in the phone. So don't get the term chip mix. When I say chip Glock, you know a chip Glock, we're not about chip in the iPhone. We're not about did you say the SIM card? No. We're not about that. Then you further on elaborate on how the girls are dealing with the sugar cane with lot of spit on it. Nastiness.
Got the chipping and the Glock and never chipping at the phone. Bad bitch a spit me cock tiffin and she throat. Benz drifting at the road and body kicking on the floor. One no, all the killer code a pussy them for short. Stacky bricks in at the bank and half the water ship it up. And I talk about say them
Will are there?
Spit me cock tiffin and she throat. Benz drifting at the road and body kicking on the floor. One no, all the killer code a pussy them for short.
Well, what you know about killer code, brother? I wanna PUSSY several pussies for sure. What you know about killer code, brother? Huh? What do you know about killer code? That's how the G asks. Not me. Yeah.
Benz drifting at the road and body kicking on the floor. One no, all the killer code a pussy them for short. Stacky bricks in at the bank and half the water ship it up. And I talk about say them rich and have nothing. Them asking where Silk, no them can't hear from him. It's like somebody like him waiting at the cabin. Feel on for my shirt with V8 and them a bonnet. Me and the baddest lyricist in the planet. Ice them a drip off and me chain up on me gadget. Me take a girl and fuck it and no joke me a make. Talk about say you bad but you not ready for the badness. SK in me and feel if a hole in your damn head. Want me cash fatter than Tina pussy in the drawers I get.
Which Tina? Which Tina this him a talk now? He's saying cash fatter than Tina pussy.
SK in me and feel if a hole in your damn head. Want me cash fatter than Tina pussy in the drawers I get $1 billion. And save it na the bank I gonna girl them from Bahamas. Want fi suck me cocky fast I drink me manish water. The
girls them want to do nastiness and drink his manish water. Not the one that boil with the soup. No, not the goated soup. Girl won't deal with his testicles a certain type of way. Very nasty and disgusting indeed.
Want me cash fatter than Tina pussy in the drawers I get $1 billion. And save it na the bank I gonna girl them from Bahamas. Want fi suck me cocky fast I drink me manish water. Breed just give me a daughter, me a baby father.
Oh, the youth man already? Congrats, my G. Congrats. Bree just give my daughter my baby father. So him have a purpose for live here now. Yeah. So you have to mind how you step now, my G. You have to watch your friends them round you and do all of that. You know that already. So you have to be careful out there. You see me? You have somebody that depend on you now. Literally depend on you now, my G. So congrats to you and Bree still.
One fi suck me cocky fast, I drink me manage water. Bree just give me a daughter, me a baby father. Have a top speed, but can me forward even go no faster. Scotch it on the bed in my room and stab it harder. She ball fi auntie, sister, cousin, and a damn father. Copy me style so hard, I young body fuck. Your silk no them can't hear from him. It's like somebody lock him way in the cabin. Feel on for me shirt with V8 under my bonnet. Me and the baddest lyricist in the planet. I stem a drip up on me chain, look on me gadgets. Me take a girl and fuck it and no joke me a make. That boss say you bad but then ready for the badness. SK in me and feel if I hold in your damage.
Alright. We know that Silk is known to give us all 3-4 verse in a one song more time. How much we get to that? It's probably 4 minutes. I'm gonna say 4 verse, I'm gonna give it that one.
Them a COVID-19. Me have them at the clip a slide in. Go ride in.
This at the third verse now.
Me a make that boss say you bad but then ready for the badness. SK in me and feel if I hold in your damage. Yeah. Them a COVID-19. Me have them at the clip a slide in. Send a girl go ride in. Police a come now watch no siren. Make the sniper guy see. Put him to sleep is like a nice dream. And the laser light dream. Them a hawks for the bad.
Vicious, badness, vicious. I like that. I like it for you. Vicious.
Them a COVID-19. Me have them at the clip a slide in. Send a girl go ride in. Police a come now watch no siren. Make the sniper guy see. Put him to sleep is like a nice dream. And the laser light dream. Them a hawks for the body. Cause them cannot find it. Boss him head and flush him murder down in the toilet.
Simple as that. Simple as that. Boss him head and flush him murder down in the toilet. No evidence. Simple. Like he says it so casually. Like, brother, why not? Because I can.
Police a come now watch no siren. Make the sniper guy see. Put him to sleep is like a nice dream. And the laser light dream. Them a hawks for the body. Cause them cannot find it. Boss him head and flush him murder down in the toilet. Who like say it. Never know say so life sweet. Till you spot the Chinese K. All I wanna start scream. Them
get comfortable. Them get complacent until them spot the Chinese K. That's how when them get surprised and start scream. Because they never know some would creep up on them like that and give it to them. It's a movie. He's painting a picture. And I like it.
We're silkan, 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 we're silkan. Them asking we're silkan, no can't hear from him. Me and the baddest.
3 verse again.
Don't come shirt with people and them a bunny. I beg a in my room, I suck the cocky. You know that is no kind shit. I remember what the fuck.
Tree Saddest verse, I like it. We're still gone. Real silicone. Like it. Real silicone. Silk, where there? Once again, congrats to you and Brie, of course. Daughter, not the world. Silk, the scene I asked which part you gone because the people them love you so much. Them want more work from you. Them want you, but understand the thing, like having a child, or getting a child. Obviously, Brie having a child, you getting a child. Getting a child is at the most excited part, especially your first child. That's the most excited part of your life. So you probably want to take the time out for make sure say you're there and make sure say baby mother good and thing, you see me? But you have to get back to work, unfortunately. You see me? You can't get too comfortable and complacent, you don't know. So yeah, big up yourself, my fam. Big up Brie, and big up baby girl, you see me? So yeah, Ray still gone. The return now, my fam. So them can't stop at switch by you there. Big up yourself, my fam. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna leave that one here. Still, big up the production team behind that one here. And I'll see you in the next one. For real. Peace.